Yeah, you're a good boy. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I have a few packages here, and you know what that means. I want to know what's in the box. Do you want to know?
Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
We're going to start out with the first package here. What do we have here? Alright, so it looks like we have some t-shirts here. Let's open them up, see what they look like. What do you say, Andy? We have You Down with Soaking D. Yeah, you know me. Because you need your vitamin D and you get it from the sun. Boom. Let's see what the other shirt says. And this is by City Machine. City Machine. We have 3 shirts here. Wow, let's see. Look at that. You see the V? The V for vegan in a Marvel kind of fashion. I like that. This one, a Vegans Assemble. All in the superhero theme. I'll put the link below so you guys can check it out as always. These are printed on a very comfortable t-shirt material. It's the same one I use actually for my shirts. The next one is not a box at all, but it is a envelope. The Vegan Zombie, and it is coming from all the way across the ocean. International. Let's see what's inside. Got a couple stickers and look, a little zine here. It's Bright. Issue 4, Edition 1, brightzine.co, if you guys want to check that out. And I open up to the first, oh, and look at these guys. Those are my buddies, the Sarno brothers. Chad and Derek Sarno of Wicked Healthy. And actually Chad was my instructor for Rouxbe Plant-Based Cooking School. So I'll link that below too if you guys are interested. But yeah, that's pretty cool. It's like a little vegan magazine. It's got all kinds of stuff. We got some vampire stuff. Zero waste and what it's all about. Put that over here. We got a little banana and a Bright Zine sticker. So thank you. Next package is to the Vegan Zombie from, it's all the way from Canada. So we're getting some international mail here. I'm guessing the zombie apocalypse isn't as bad in other parts of the world as it is here. Some buttons and some stickers, and we have, oh, this material is really soft. The Ferocious Vegan. You guys know the Ferocious Vegan? There it is. And we have some Team Vegan, looking for vegan snacks, pins. And then we have a Don't Eat Pals sticker. A couple stickers like that. And don't worry, I'm vegan. No need to worry. Thank you, Ferocious Vegan, for the shirt and swag. Alright, moving on to the next package. Here's the box. This one right here is very deceiving because it doesn't look that big, but it's pretty heavy. Always cut towards the zombies. It looked like a shoebox at first, but we got 3 individual boxes. We have red chocolate superfood energy bar. We have salted caramel and mint chocolate. So this is the red bar. So we have different flavors in there. We got the yellow and the red. The red is in red and the other red is in yellow. But these are energy bars. I got one in the Vegan Cuts box. So chocolate superfood energy bar. There you go. And the packaging is really nice. Positive energy. And I know I've seen these at my local Wegmans. They're probably in other stores as well. Red. Thank you, Red. And now for the last package. Now the last package, I kind of already opened it on my Instagram story, but I just wanted to feature it here as well, show you guys. If you missed it, it is a large 13 by 8 inch amazing cutting board by Edge of Belgravia, or Belgravia, I'm not really sure how they say it. But these are the company that sent me that amazing set of cooking knives that was the Sir Gawain in the King Arthur legend. But anyway, that is a nice cutting board. Look at that. I think the food's gonna look nice on this. So thank you, and you can check them out. I think this was all fan funded, like a Kickstarter campaign, and the knives are amazing. Those are the knives that I use in my kitchen every day, even if it's just to cut Indy's sweet potato in the morning. Alright, I'm back. So this literally just came as I opened everything up. It literally just came, and he notified me there was somebody here that wasn't a zombie, and this was at the door. So it's perishable, and I'm gonna open it. Thanks for letting me know, Indy. When it's perishable, I know I have some goodies here. All right, it looks like we have some brand new products by Good Belly Probiotics. These are little shots you drink of probiotics for your gut, your stomach to digest. There's no sugar added, and this flavor is lemon drop. So they have several other flavors of these. These are the new ones. They have peach mango. That sounds pretty good. And also strawberry banana. That sounds good too. And we have some infused probiotics. So these are orange pineapple blast, lemon ginger, and watermelon lime. That sounds really good. So Good Belly, definitely check them out. They are gluten-free, non-GMO, dairy-free obviously. I really like this company and I like their products. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you have anything vegan that you'd like to send, the address is below. It's also in the YouTube About Me section. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, and when you do so, hit that little bell so you don't miss notifications. Stay safe, watch out for zombies, and maybe I'll see you in the next video.